Okay, question 14 then. So we've got a two-way table, and it's looking at the favourite sports of year 7, 8 and 9 students in a school. Okay, so calculate the probability of selecting a pupil whose favourite sport is swimming. So what I want there is how many pupils' favourite sport is swimming, which is 71, out of how many pupils there are? 392. B, calculate the probability of selecting a year 8 pupil. Okay, so again, the total year 8 pupils is 138. So it's 138 out of the total number of pupils, 392. There's only one mark, so you don't need to simplify that. It would be right if you did, but you don't need to. Okay, if it wanted you to, it would say give your answer in the simplest form. There'd be another mark for simplifying, but not necessary. The selected pupil is in year 8. Calculate the probability that this pupil's favourite sport is cycling. Okay, so we're given that it's in year 8, so it's out of 138 this time, because we're only looking at the year 8 pupils. Okay, so the probability that their favourite sport is cycling will be 28 out of 138. Okay, question D. The favourite sport of the selected pupil is football. What is the probability that this pupil is in year 7? Okay, so the favourite sport of the selected pupil is football, so the total who picked football is 103. So it's out of 103. And so the number of those 103 students that are in year 7 is 45. So it's 45 out of 103. The pupil selected is not in year 7. What is the probability that this pupil's favourite sport is not football? Okay, so the probability that this pupil is not in year 7 is going to be 138 of the year 8 pupils plus 133 year 9 pupils. 38 plus 133. So the total number of pupils we're looking at is 271. What's the probability that this pupil's favourite sport is not football? Well, of those pupils, 32 year 8s picked football and 26 year 9s picked football. So it's everyone out but them. So I'll take those away from my total. Okay, so 32 plus 26 is 58. Take that away from my 271. Gives me 213. So my probability is 213 out of 271. So what I've done there is I've followed a process where I have eliminated the students that I didn't want. Okay, so I just took the year 8 and 9 pupils from my total, and then I took out the pupils who did pick football because it's everyone else that we were interested in.